How to change miles to kilometer on your iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, scroll down to find the General option and tap on it. Inside the General menu, scroll down and tap on Language and Region. This section allows you to set your preferred languages, region format, calendar type, and measurement system. Here, locate and tap on the Measurement System option. On this screen, you can choose between metric, US, or UK systems for units of measurement. Change the settings to metric. Current selection is US. From now on, your iPhone will display distances in kilometers instead of miles. Following these steps, you can easily change miles to kilometer on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.